Today we are starting something powerful, your journey into AWS. We get a lot of queries, and I had multiple AWS certifications in the past, including the Solution Architect Professional and DevOps Professional. But in this video, we will look at AWS Developer Certification, Developer Associate Certification. I have created a 30-day plan for you to clear it. Okay, and if you're a fresher, enhance the probability of getting placed. So this is for absolute beginners. So in this short video, we will not go into any of these days. Subsequent videos will address each day or multiple days together, so that in a short span, you can cover all these topics. Think of AWS like renting computers on internet. Instead of buying expensive servers, you just click and use. On day one, your goal is very simple. Create your AWS account, explore the console, and understand what a region is. Don't rush, just click around, get comfortable. This is like entering a new city. Today, you're just learning the roads. Then, day two, I am basic. Who can do what? Think like this: user is a person, policy is a permission. If you understand IAM, which is Identity Access Management, you understand AWS security. Create a user, attach permissions, and try logging in. Always remember, security mistakes fail exams and real systems. And day three is I am advanced. Here we move from users to roles. Roles are magic. They allow AWS services to talk to each other safely. Instead of giving passwords, we give temporary access. This is a big exam concept. If confused, just remember users equals people, roles equals services. Then day four, AWS CLI and SDK. Now we become real developers. Till now you click buttons. Day four, you use commands. CLI means command line interface. SDK means software development kit, means code talking to AWS. When your app runs, it won't click buttons. It will use SDK to create services. Run your first command, even something simple. That moment you officially entered developer mode. Then day five is S3 basics. S3 is like a Google Drive, but for developers. You store files, images, videos, everything. Create a bucket, upload a file, and try accessing it. Simple but powerful. Many real-world apps are built around S3. And day six is S3 advanced. Now here we unlock the real power of pre-assigned URLs. This is gold. This allows users to upload files without giving access to your system. Also learn versioning. Never lose data again. These are exam favorites. Pay attention. Then day seven. Day seven is strengthening. If you skip revision, you forget everything. Go back, IAM plus S3, build a small flow, upload, access, secure. Confidence builds here. Then day 8 is Lambda basics. Lambda is serverless service. Run code without servers. No setup, no maintenance, just logic. Create your first Lambda and run a simple response. This is the heart of modern AWS. Day 9 is Lambda Advanced. Now we go deeper. Memory, timeout, logs. This is where real issues happen. If something breaks in AWS, logs are your best friend. And day 9, you learn debugging basics. Developers who can debug win. API gateway. Now your Lambda becomes a real API. API gateway gives your app a public URL. User hits URL, Lambda runs, response comes back. This is how apps work in the cloud. Test your endpoint. This is a big moment. DynamoDB basics. Now we store data. DynamoDB is not like a SQL database. It is fast, it is flexible, it is scalable. Create a table, insert data, retrieve it, think, key, value for fast access. Day 12, DynamoDB Advanced. This is where many fail. Query versus scan. Query is fast, scan is slow. If you remember only one thing today, avoid scans unless absolutely needed. Day 13 is event basics. Now we enter the async world. SQS, queue work. SNS, send messages. EventBridge, root events. This is how large systems scale. Start thinking. Not everything should be immediate. Day 14 is project day. This is the big milestone. You combine API, Lambda, database. This is a real system. Draw it, understand flow. This is what the exam is testing. Day 15, SQS deep dive. SQS makes your system stable. If something is slow, queue it. If something fails, retry it. Learn FIFO versus standard. Think, do I need order or speed? Day 16 is SNS deep dive. SNS is like broadcasting. One message, many receivers. Email, SMS systems all get notified. Very useful in real apps. Day 17 is EventBridge. This is intelligent routing. Events come, rules decide, actions happen. Very powerful for automation. This is like a traffic controller. Day 18 is CI/CD basics. Now we automate everything. CI/CD means build, test, deploy automatically. No manual mistakes. This is how professionals work. Day 19, CodeBuild plus code deploy. Build is creating the app, deploy is sending it live. Many exam questions test this difference. Day 20 is Elastic Beanstalk. This is the easy button. Upload code, AWS handles everything. Great for beginners. Understand when to use it versus Lambda. And day 21 is revision. Pause and reflect. Messaging plus deployment. Can you explain the flow clearly? If yes, you are doing great. Day 22, CloudWatch. This is your eyes and ears. Logs tell you what happened. Metrics tell you how it performs. Without CloudWatch, you are blind. Day 23, X-ray debug. This is deep debugging. You trace a request across services like following a packet through your system. Very powerful for complex apps. Day 24, security advanced. Back to security. Now, advanced secrets manager, KMS. Never store passwords in code. This is a big exam trap. Day 25, error handling. Systems fail, that is normal. Retries, DLQ throttling. Your job is not to avoid failure. Your job is to handle it gracefully. Day 26 is full architecture. This is everything combined. API, Lambda, queue, database. This is how real scalable systems work. If you understand this, you are exam ready. And then comes day 27, practice exam. Now test yourself. Don't fear mistakes. Mistakes equals learning. Review deeply. That is where growth happens. Day 28, fix weak areas. This is the most powerful day. Go back and fix gaps. This is what separates pass versus fail. Day 29, practice exam again. Second test. Now you should feel more confident. Focus on speed and accuracy. Day 30, final day. You have come far. Light revision only. No stress, no overload. Remember, choose answers that are secure, scalable, and managed. Walk into the exam with confidence. You have earned it. So I welcome you to follow the subsequent videos which are going to be published from tomorrow. And if you follow this 30-day plan sincerely, you are no longer a beginner. You are now someone who understands how cloud applications are built in the real world. Like, share, and comment. And if you want deep hands-on mentoring or internship, check the link below. Let's build something amazing together.